Hello, little learners. Welcome to your own channel, Kiddoctive Homeschooling. If you are new to our channel, please like, share, and subscribe. Today we are going to learn the alphabets. See the alphabet A. So, how can you write A? Do you know how to write A? This is capital letter A. You can write in this way. Two slanting line, one slipping line. Okay. Now this is small letter A. You can write? Okay. Now circle the egg that matches the letter A. Which letter looks like A? Yes, this one. Now comes letter B. So how we will write B? We will write letter B like this. One standing line, then curve. Okay. This is small letter B. Standing line, a small curve. Standing line, a small curve. Now tell me, circle the egg that matches the letter B. Which letter looks like this letter? Yes, the second one. Now comes letter C. Letter C. Letter C you are going to write like this. This is the capital letter. Okay. Now comes small letter. Okay. Circle the egg that matches the letter C. Which letter looks like this letter? Yes, the second one. Very good. If you want these worksheets to practice, then please. Now comes letter D. Letter D looks like this. So we are going to practice how to write letter D. Standing line, then a curve. Standing line, then a curve. Standing line, then a curve. Now you are going to do the standing line, then the opposite curve. Okay. Back side. In B you are going to do the front side, but here you are going to do the back side. Now tell me, circle the egg that matches the letter D. Which letter looks like letter D? Yes. Now comes letter E. Letter E looks like this. So, how we are going to write the letter? We are going to write the letter first standing line, then one slipping line, another slipping line, another slipping line. The middle one will be small. Okay? You can write the capital E? Okay. Now comes small letter E. Do you like the worksheet? You are going to practice it at your home. Okay? Now comes circle the egg that matches the letter E. Which letter looks like letter E? The first one is J, second one is B, third one is P, and the fourth one is E. Very good. Now comes letter F. Letter F looks like this. We are going to trace how we are going to write letter F. Standing line to slipping line. Otherwise you can write like this also. Standing, slipping lines. Now comes small letter. Okay. Now tell me, circle the egg that matches the letter F. Letter F look like this. So we are going to find out where is the letter F. Letter F is this one. Now comes letter G. G looks like this. We are going to write the capital letter G. Okay. Now comes small letter G. You are going to write like this. Circle. Then bend like this. Okay. Now tell me, circle the egg that matches the letter G. Which letter looks like letter G? This is the letter G. Very good. Do you like this worksheet? If you like this worksheet, you can message us. We are going to provide you the PDF version. Okay? Now comes letter H. So we are going to write the capital letters. Two standing lines, one sleeping line joining two standing lines. Like this. You're going to write this? Okay. Now this is the capital letter and this one is the small letter H. Standing line. One small curve looking down like this. Okay. Now tell me, circle the egg that matches the letter H. Which letter looks like the letter H? The last one. Very good. Now comes letter I. We are going to trace the letter I. How we are going to write this? One standing line, two sleeping line, one at the top, one at the bottom. Standing line, sleeping lines, standing, sleeping. Okay. Now we are going to write the small letter I. Standing line with a dot. Standing line with a dot at the top. Okay. Now tell me, circle the egg that matches the letter I. Which letter looks like the letter I from these options? Find out the second one. Now comes letter J. We are going to trace the letter J. You are going to write like this. This is the letter J. Okay, this is the capital letter J and this one is the small letter J. Okay, now tell me, circle the egg that matches the letter J. Letter J looks like this. So you are going to tell me, where is the letter J? The second one. Very good. Now comes letter K. So we are going to trace the letter K. Standing line and two slanting line. See how I am writing? Okay. Now comes the small letter K. Small letter K. Okay. Circle the egg that matches the letter K. Which letter from these options looks like the letter K? Yes, the second one. Now comes letter L. Letter L we are going to write like standing line, one sleeping line, standing, sleeping, standing, sleeping. Okay. Now comes small letter L. Like this. Only one standing line. Okay. Now comes circle the egg that matches the letter L. Where is letter L? This one is the letter L. Now comes the letter M. So we are going to trace the letter M. Standing, slanting, another slanting, Again, one standing line. This is letter M. Now we are going to write small letter M. This is small letter M. Circle the egg that matches the letter M. Letter M looks like this. So find out from these letters where is the letter M. Yes, the yellow egg. Now comes letter N. Letter N, we are going to trace the capital letter. Standing, slanting, another standing. Standing, slanting, another standing line. Now comes small letter N. Okay? Circle the egg that matches the letter N. So N looks like this. And you know how to write also. Now tell me which egg is having the letter N. The green one. Okay? Very good. Now comes letter O. O, we are going to trace. Letter O. Letter O. Okay? The small letter O. Small letter O. Circle the egg that matches the letter O. Letter O looks like this. So we are going to find out where is the letter O. There are two orange color eggs, but one is having letter O. That is the second one. We are going to trace the letter P. The capital letter P standing, one curve, standing, one curve. We are going to trace the small letter P. Okay? Circle the egg that matches the letter P. The first one. Okay? Now comes letter Q. We are going to write letter Q. Write like a O, then one slanting line from there. Okay? Is it easy or not? You are going to practice it? Okay. Now comes small letter Q. Like this. Now comes circle the egg that matches the letter Q. Where is the letter Q? The third one. Very good. Now comes letter R. We are going to write letter R. Standing line, one curve and another slanting line. Again. Okay, this is the capital letter R. This one is the small letter R. Okay. Now tell me, circle the egg that matches the letter R. The first egg is having letter R. Now comes letter S. Letter S. We are going to trace the letter S. It's like a snake. Okay? Have you seen a snake? Okay, this is the capital letter S. Then this one is the small letter S. Okay? Now tell me, circle the egg that matches the letter S. The first green one. Okay? Now comes letter T. We are going to write the letter T. Sleeping, standing line. Sleeping, standing line. Now, the small letter. Standing line in the middle, one sleeping line. Standing, middle, one sleeping line. Circle the egg that matches the letter T. Where is letter T? Letter T at the end. Very good. Now comes letter U. You know any object related to letter U? U for umbrella. So we are going to trace the capital letter U. Capital letter U. Okay? This is capital letter U. Now comes the small letter U. This is small letter U. Circle the egg that matches the letter U. Where is the letter U? Letter U at the first egg. Letter U at the first position. The first egg is having letter U. Now comes letter V. What we are going to write with the letter V? V for van, school van. V for vase, flower vase. Okay? Now we are going to write letter V. Two slanting line, join them. Then we will find letter V. Small letter V. Okay? Like this. Circle the egg that matches the letter V. Where is the letter V? The first egg is having letter V. Now comes letter W. W, capital letter W. Slanting line like this. Again. So this is letter W. Look and observe how I am going to write this. Are you watching this up to W? Okay. Then you are going to definitely write without any kind of help. Okay. Now tell me, circle the egg that matches the letter W. The first egg is having letter W. W for watch. Watch. Now comes letter X. Two slanting line, one upon another. Okay. Now the small letter X. Tell me, circle the egg that matches the letter X. Where is letter X? The second egg is having the letter X. Now comes letter Y. Yeah, letter Y. How we are going to write this? We are going to write like V, then one standing line. This is the capital letter Y. Now comes the small letter Y. Okay. You're going to write it? Okay. Circle the egg that matches the letter Y. Where is the letter Y? The fourth egg is having letter Y. Now comes the last letter. Letter G. Trace each letter. Slipping, slanting, another slipping. Slipping, slanting, another slipping line. You're going to write this? Okay. Now comes the small letter Z. This is the small letter Z. Okay. Circle the egg that matches the letter Z. Where is the letter G? The third egg is having letter G. Wonderful job. Okay. If you are watching from first to end, then you are going to write each and everything without any kind of help. Thank you for watching. Please do like, share and subscribe.